Hi, my name is Julian Caro and I'm Account Director at Audinate, EMEA. We're here at ISE 2020, Hall 7, stand C193, and I'm demonstrating here the Dante Domain Manager solution, which brings management, control and subnet traversal to Dante installations. Traditional Dante installations are very simple to deploy, but as we've grown in stature and those installations have grown in scale, so it's more and more important to exercise a level of automatic control, access restrictions, monitoring of those installations. So with Dante Domain Manager running on a server in that network, we're able to group the products into different audio domains so that we can restrict access and user control of those domains. You can see here I've created 4 different rooms, which when I go into Dante Controller are reflected here, and I can very quickly jump from one room into controlling another. The access restrictions are applied within Dante Domain Manager, but also within LDAP, so that we can say some people can control the foyer, but they are not allowed to control the meeting room. We're also able to share audio between those different domains, so rather than having to patch external to Dante and then come back in, we can just do this all through the flexibility of the network, all from the Dante controller by setting this up within Dante Domain Manager. Dante Domain Manager additionally will give you notifications and alerts, so if anything is affecting the performance, the audio transmission, you'll get a notification here. You can also get it via email, and you can also receive an SNMP alert in order to be able to fix a problem before people start complaining about it. And we also have an audit log, so anything that happens on the network, every user interaction, either through Dante Controller or with Dante Domain Manager, is all recorded here, which makes it a lot easier to perform troubleshooting purposes or efforts in future. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you over here at ISE. I keep forgetting to say www.audinate.com, but you probably knew that already.